In this video, we will see how we can download and install latest version of Python using the Python install manager in Windows 11 computer. So here I have opened up the Edge browser and we will enter the website address as python.org and then we will hit the enter key, which will open up the official Python website. And then we will go to the downloads. If I click on this downloads, it will open up the download page. And here we can find the option to install the Python install manager. This tool will help you to install and configure Python in Windows computer very easily. So we will click on this download Python install manager and it will be downloaded. Now once it is downloaded, I will click on this open file. What it does is it will launch the Python install manager. So here we will directly click on this install Python option. It will open up the command window and here we have to answer some of the questions by using yes or no. If you don't know whether you have to say yes or no, say yes and continue. It will configure properly. Now the first question it is asking me here is about the applications having the path longer than 260 characters. So Python and some other applications may use this. So because of that, it is asking about whether we want to update this setting. So here we will enter Y and then we will hit the enter key. If it asks for the permission, then click on yes and provide the permission. And then it will talk about the setting up the path environment variable for Python. Again, here we will enter Y and hit the enter key. And then finally, it will talk about downloading and installing the Python runtime. And it is asking about installing the CPython. CPython is the Python that we get from the python.org website. So here we will enter Y and we will hit the enter key. It will download and install and configure for us. Again, if you get any other questions and whether you don't know whether you have to say yes or no, most probably you have to say yes and continue. Now, once it is done, it will ask about opening up the online help. So here, if I enter Y and hit the enter key, it will open up the browser and the online help. So if you want, you can take a look at this. Now, once that is done, it means that Python has been installed. I will click on the start button and I will search for Python and I can find the programs like Python shell, Python IDLE, Python documentation and all other stuff. It means that Python has been properly installed. Now finally, we will check by using the terminal. For that, I will search for the terminal and I will open up the terminal. Here we will check the version of Python that is installed. For that, we will type in py space -- version. And then when we hit the enter key, we get a message like this. This version number can be different depending on when you're watching this video, but you should not get any error message in here. So if you don't get any error here, then it means that you have done everything properly. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.